Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be solving a challenge in Power BI with the help of data source that we have already connected. So let's get started without wasting any time. So first let me show you the data source that we have. So this is the data source that we have connected in Power BI, and also let me show the challenge. So first we need to identify the three salesmen who made the most amount of sales for each state, right? So that was the challenge. We have to identify the salesmen who made the most sales in each state, right? So now let's go back to Power BI. So in my so I'm going to the data view. So this is the data source that we have connected in Power BI. So if you want to know how to connect data source in Power BI, I will drop that video in the iCard. You can go and watch it, right? So using that data source, now we will solve the challenge. So the first thing we have to do is first we need to select a visual. So here in this case, I will be selecting the clustered column chart, right? So I will be clicking on this. So let me make it big, right? Now our visual is selected. Now we have to drag and drop this field paints into our fields here, right? So the data paints we have to drag and drop into our field paints, right? So the first data pane that I will select is the sales amount. So the sales amount will go to the y-axis field because, and as I said in the previous video, all the numeric fields should go to the y-axis, right? So I'm selecting the sales amount and I'm dragging it in the y-axis field here, right? So here you can see we got a plot of the sales amount. Now we want to look at the state and also the salesman, right? So we want to identify those salesmen who got the most amount of sales, right? So first I will drag the state into the x-axis. So first I'm dragging the sales state to the x-axis. So here you can see we got three states here. Now let us also drag the sales data to x-axis again. So I will drag and drop it in the x-axis field here. So here you can see now we got the uh, sales, we got the state and salesman, right? But let me drill up. So now first we want to identify those salesmen who got the most amount of sales for each state, right? But as you can see here, now the visual is only showing me the states data along with the sales amount, right? But what I want is every I want these three fields in my visual to be displayed, right? So for that, we will be using the advanced drill down options. So in my last two previous videos, we discussed about the drill down, drill up, and also the advanced drill down options. Those are switch to next level and expand to next level, right? So using this data drill options, now we will be figuring out how to bring all these three data pins into single visual, right? So first, let us try the drill down option, right? So currently now we are able to see our state plots, right? So let me use the drill down option. First, you need to select the visual, then click on this drill down option. So this is drill down. Either you can use this or you can use this. So the drill down mode is on now. Now, if I click on any state, so let me click on Maharashtra. Now you can see, I can see the salesmen for the state of Maharashtra, right? But I want to look at the entire picture here. I don't want only single state. I also want to look at all the salesmen from all the states, right? So this is also not the preferred option because it is only showing me the salesmen wherever I clicked on the plot. Because I clicked on the Gujarat state plot, it is only showing me the salesmen from Gujarat, right? But I don't want this. To view the I want to view all the data pins. I want to view the statement. I want to view the state. I want to view the salesman, all three states in a single visual. So this is also not the preferred option. So let me use the switch to next level option. So this is switch to next level option. So if I click here, so here you can see I'm able to see all the salesmen, right? I'm able to see all the salesmen, but I'm not able to view the state options here, right? So if I hover this, I'm able to see the salesman and also the sum of sales amount for this salesman. But from which state does Jitin comes from? Here? I'm not able to see that, right? I'm only able to see the salesman here. So this is switch to next level is also not the correct option, right? So let me drill up now. Now the final option that we are left with is expand to next level, right? So let us try this option and see. So this is the expand next level option. So I'm clicking here and now you can see now we are able to see the salesman along with the state as well, right? So here you can see, so let me increase it. So here you can see these are the states, these are the salesmen for state of Delhi, and these are the states, these are the salesmen for the state of Gujarat, and these two are the salesmen for the state of Maharashtra, right? And also if I hover this now, I'm able to see all the three data pins. I'm able to see the state salesman and also the sum of sales. Maharashtra, Jitin, and the sales amount, right? So now we figured out how to use the drill down, how to use the advanced drill down option, how to use the expand next level option. So using this expand next level option, we are now able to see all the three data pins in one visual, right? So now to make it more interactive, because all these plots are in one color and it is difficult to identify which state salesman has got the highest number of sales, right? So to make it interactive, we have another option called legend. So what I'm going to do now, I will bring the state field to the legend field here, right? I will bring the sales state data to the legend field. So I will simply drag this and I'll drop it here. So now you can see, now we are able to clearly identify which state has got the highest sales amount and which salesman has got the highest sales amount from the corresponding states, right? So Maharashtra is in orange color, Gujarat is in dark blue color, and Delhi is in light blue color, right? Now let us identify the top three salesmen from each of these states here. So starting with Maharashtra, so here you can see Jitin has got the highest number of sales amount from Maharashtra, and similarly Manan has got the highest number of sales amount from Gujarat, and similarly Amir has got the highest sales amount from Delhi, right? So this is how easy it is to solve a challenge in Power BI using the advanced drill down options. So with the help of expand next level, we managed to expand our visual and we managed to showcase all our data pins. So we are able to see the state, we are able to see the salesmen, and also we are able to see the sum of sales, right? So let us go back to the Excel document, and so as identified in this visual, so Jitin is the first person to get the highest number of sales. So the first salesman is Jitin, who got the highest number of sales, and the second salesman is Manan from Gujarat. So he is the second salesman to get the highest sales, and the third salesman is Samir from Delhi, right? So this is so now the challenge is solved, right? So this is how simple it is to use the advanced drill down options to solve the challenge. So I hope this video was useful and informative. Please like it and subscribe to my channel so that I can make much more interesting videos on Power BI. Thank you.